Hi everyone, welcome back to Enly Self Study. Today's topic is importance of AI in education. Artificial intelligence is changing many fields and education is one of the most important. In this video, let's understand why AI is important in education for teachers and students. AI helps students learn at their own pace. Fast learners get advanced content and slow learners get extra support. This makes learning more effective for every student. Teachers can use AI for lesson planning, worksheets, and assessments. This saves time and allows teachers to focus more on teaching and students. AI can check assignments and provide instant feedback. Students understand their mistakes quickly and improve faster. AI supports students with learning difficulties, language barriers, and special needs. Education becomes more inclusive. Students can learn anytime, anywhere using AI tools. Learning is no longer limited to classroom hours. AI helps students develop problem solving, critical thinking, and digital skills needed for future careers. AI is not a replacement for teachers, it is a powerful tool that supports teaching and learning. When used responsibly, AI can improve education for everyone. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. Next video, role of teachers in the age of AI.